garlic pumpkin yogurt casserole or garlic pumpkin yogurt bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the pumpkin recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the Raita recipes and one of the most unique of the pumpkin casserole and one of the most unique of the yogurt casserole and one of the most different of the pumpkin recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes, one of the most unique of the casserole recipes. Today we're going to make garlic pumpkin yogurt casserole. We have taken around 150 grams of pumpkin, peeled and cut into pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Caramel. You can saute. Gradually saute mix. Put in the garlic seeds. Sauce the garlic seeds. Now put in the ginger. Put in salt to taste. salt, salt thoroughly. Keep on salting. Thoroughly sauteing this. Put in some mustard seeds and let it get heated and wait for it to split and pop. Salt to taste. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Put in a spoon of chili powder. Salt and mix. Put in the pumpkin juice. Salt thoroughly. Some sauteing for 30 minutes. A little bit of water. Mix and close and cook for 15 minutes in the casserole. Mix. Pour in 100 ml of yogurt. After putting in simmer, mix and let this mixture cook for a minute. Now put in some curry leaves and cook for a minute. Garlic pumpkin yogurt casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Final garlic pumpkin yogurt casserole, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the pumpkin recipes and one of the most unique of the pumpkin casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the yogurt casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the casserole recipes, one of the most delicious of the raita recipes and one of the most different of the pumpkin raita recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.